how to send camera roll pictures as snaps on Snapchat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send pictures from the camera roll on your iPhone or Android phone as a snap on Snapchat. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up Snapchat on your iPhone or Android phone and then select the camera icon in the bottom menu to create a snap. From here, select the search icon in the bottom right, then select the search bar at the top and type green. From here, select green screen, which is the green looking one. Now, when this comes up, you don't want it to see your face. So point it away from you so that it doesn't see your face. If it does not see your face, it will not capture anything and you will see a picture show up from your camera roll. If you want to see other pictures in your camera roll, select view all, and this will show you other pictures that you can select from to send as a snap. Once you have the picture selected, select the green button. Then you can add text to it or icons, anything like that, just like you would a normal snap on Snapchat. To send it, select send to, select the person you want to send it to, and send it. Then we can view that snap just as a snap. And as you can see, that was sent as a snap. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.